Welcome to part 2 of this series. So this is very exciting. We talk about how we're going to do this activity with our kids. So because parents are always busy, this activity has been divided into 9 days, but it can be done in one afternoon if you have the time to spend. But if you don't, no worries, 2-3 minutes every day and you'll be able to go through it. Day 1, read the introduction. It looks stupid, but it's really important because it explains all the skills that your kids will learn during this activity. For example, how to manage their time, how to negotiate which activity they want to do, how much do they want for that activity. Day 2, you're going to explore an interactive story with the kids. And this one is really cool. Day 3, you discuss financial literacy concepts with your kids. Day 4, this is an important one. This is where you decide what kind of system you are going to use. Money, points, or a hybrid. Are you going to give money for every chore that the kids do, or only some of them? Day 5, this is exciting because it's with the kids. You look at the catalogs, you choose together which chores you want to do, which rewards you want to give, how much each chore is worth. Day 6, negotiate chores, values, and rewards. So they can negotiate which chores they want, what's the value, what reward they want, what's the value of the rewards. So it's really cool. Day 7, set up chore charts and reward trackers. So this is where the budgeting skills are going to come in. Day 8 is not mandatory, and I even suggest that you introduce this in a couple of months when the kids are used to the Chore Rewards Adventure. We introduce the interest and consequence concepts. Day 9, this is cool because we reflect on the progress and adjust goal. And finally, you'll have weekly and monthly things to do. So weekly, update chore charts and reward tracker. And monthly, celebrate the achievement and receive chore or reward plan. This was day 2 of the series. And next time we will talk about step 1 more in detail. Thank you!